Good afternoon, guys. I'm gonna do an unboxing video of one of BB's toy collections. Well, as you can see, we've got a box right here. I'm gonna open it up without him knowing. So let's see how we go. Oops. Sorry, Salem. Did I start on you, Salem? Let us see so you can see what's inside. It's one of the Hulkbuster. See? Looks like, oops, so you have to open it from the side and you will see IronMan Hulkbuster, and I think we have to flip it through. I wonder which ones. I think this is the front. Hulkbuster. Did you see it? And once we flip the box, oh wow, very nice. Oh my god, it says 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't know how to call those things, but that's it. Very nice. And I'm gonna take off the cover. IronMan. And surprise! You'll see his feet. Hi Salem, are you watching me? It looks like you're watching Baba. So, let me see. Ta-da! Wow, it's so nice. No, feels like I don't want to take it from the box. Take it out from the box. How can we take it off? Slowly, gently. Wait, I'm gonna put it down. Lie down. And those are my fur babies. You know that. Zelda and Salem. My fur babies. Oh boy. I hope I'm not gonna ruin this, or else I'll be in trouble. Big trouble. How come it's so hard? I see. I think I have to cut this. Actually, I don't know how to cut it. I think I did well. No scratch. Yeah, no scratch. Another one. I'm not good with these things, but slowly keep quiet, or else we will be busted. Be careful when you use this. Oh dear. Do I have to? I think I have to. Everything. But slowly so that I won't leave a scratch on him. But the problem is, how can I put it back? I think we're in trouble. We're gonna be in trouble, guys. still 2 left. I did not even see it. Oh. And 1 down. Oh dear. Don't tell anyone, Salem. We're trying to be discreet as possible. How come I cannot take out the last one? It's a bit tricky. Well, let me just put it on the side. I got it, guys. I got it. Now, I think I'm gonna get a scissor. All else fails, you have to think of any other. There. Easy, 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 easy peasy, guys. Okay, I hope that's it. Trying to be discreet as possible. We don't want the baby to find out that I'm doing the unboxing for him. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Is it to me? Set it aside, and well, it looks so cool and heavy, but really nice indeed. I'm not so sure if this is part of the design though. Look at the feet. Can you all see it? Looks like there's a scratch on it, but I'm not sure if it's part of the design because I was very careful opening it up. Remember last night I showed you about Hulkbuster? Looks like this is a very fancy one. And at the bottom, look. Wow. It's so oh. Can you see the difference between the hands? The other one. Did I miss a part? Wait, let me see. Let me go through the box again. Because I think I missed this. I don't know how to put it back. Oh dear, I hope I did not mess it up. Salem, Salem, what can you say about this? Do you like it, Baba? Do you like it? So, another closer look at Hulkbuster. Yeah, the head, you can twist the head, the shoulders. Yeah, you can rotate one. You can lift it up, pretty sure. What about Kenny? It's heavy. I'm not sure. Okay, I have to take it off. I think I have to take it off. What about this one? Do we have to take it off? I am gentle. Yeah. Oh, wow, look at that. Hang on. I think I'm supposed to. Oh, okay. So you can lift it up. Hang on. I'm going to use my right hand. So you can lift it up. And you can twist. Do I have to take off the... No, let's not take it off. And side view, this is how he looks. Side view. Hulkbuster. And the back view of it. Oops. Yeah, very nice. From the top to the bottom, so nice. Oh, you can lock it. Look. Oops. It's funny. I feel like I'm playing Barbie, but the guy version. But this is not Ken. Literally not Ken. Yeah. Can you move its head? Oh, you can see it. You can. Oh, there he is. Ooh. So if I'm gonna take this tape out, I think you can open it up from there. But I will not take the tape out. I will let baby open it up, so he won't get mad at least. So there you go, guys. This is Hulkbuster. Hulkbuster. Oops.